guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the slanted window in Heartopia. So this is the low wall, and we have two half walls here. You're also going to want to grab two half walls and make sure you can just leave it here so you are able to use this wall for your other parts of your house, because you cannot delete these or else the window will be deleted. So again, low walls and two half walls here. And what we're going to want to do, let me just remove this bit first. We are going to add this. Make sure you get it from Bob. So talk to Bob, and you are going to purchase the large pillar platform. And we're going to make it so it's slanted like this. Then we're also going to add a pillar here. We're going to add the European thin pillar. Place it here. Make sure it is right here, okay guys? Right, place it like that. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab, okay, just ignore this because I do need that sometimes. But you're going to grab the half wall here, and you're just going to place it on here, and we are going to glitch that. So press and click this quickly. If it doesn't work the first try, like me, you're just going to want to do that again, like that. Hopefully that worked. Okay, there we go. Then grab the platform, and we're going to raise it up here. And we're going to do the same thing. This, glitch it. Okay, that didn't work the first try. Just do it again. Okay, there we go. Then remove the platform and the pillar, and I'm also going to remove this. Grab the lattice window here. Place it there. Confirm. And I'm just going to decorate a little bit. I'm just going to add floors here. Unfortunately, you can't make it like this because the walls won't close, but you can decorate it to make it look slanted. So I'll be right back with the finished results. Okay, I didn't decorate it that much, but this is what it looks like. Super cute. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!